Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our mini Mondays. These will be going into my sinking funds for the month of March, and I have $30 here today. I have 25 ones and one buyback 5, and each challenge is getting $2. I think we're going to be finishing several challenges today because last week we had several that were close to being done. So how has y'all's Monday been so far? I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great start to your week. I am recording this on Sunday night, trying to get ahead because Mondays is when I have my tutoring. So I tutor right after school and then, and then I come home for a little bit and then I'm off to tutor again at like 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's kind of a busy day for me, even though I don't have Aria on that night. All right. So I feel like I'm hitting my stride again with everything. I was super busy there for a while, and I mean, not to say that I'm not busy now, but I just have, figured out my schedule a little bit more. Starting school again this semester has just been kicking my butt. Also because I just don't want to do it anymore. I'm just tired of it. So that's also why. All right, so we have $2 here. Each one of these is $2. This one is by Trina at Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budget. And we are adding $2 to this. We have $1 here that's been sitting here waiting for a partner. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21 with that $1 extra. I'm going to grab some change for this. All right, so we have 21 here. So yeah, I feel like, I'm just ready to be done with my schoolwork, ready to graduate at the end of this semester. Yay. So excited for that. All right, we are going to finish this one today. This is by Faith, Hope, and Budgeting, and each sunflower is $2. So we finished this on 3/16 with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so let me 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll sub these out for another 20. And it is actually St. Patrick's Day on today, technically. Like, if you're watching on Monday, I'm recording on Sunday, but tomorrow, when this is posted, will be St. Patrick's Day, so that's exciting. What are y'all gonna be doing, if anything? I know it's not like a huge holiday, but it's kind of fun, I hope that you at least wore some green. Like I said in my video yesterday, Aria and I went to a little festival. That was pretty cute. It was in a town nearby. All right, so this one is by Restoration by Autumn, and it is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have $3 extra in this one. And let's see how much it saved us total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. So let's make some change here. But yeah, Aria has really been struggling recently with listening and having a good attitude and being grateful. So those are all things that we're working on. If anybody has any tips, let me know how to help, an almost 5-year-old deal with disappointment and not, I don't know, control her actions. I tell her, like, You can be sad and you can be angry even, but you can't fly off the handle, basically. You have to control your actions. So that is something that we are working on, and it is tough. It's so hard. Okay, this one only needed $1. So we'll set that there, and then we'll set these ones over here. We'll finish this one out. Ooh. All right, and let's see what this one got. Yes.
Why are you doing a video?
Why am I doing a video? Because I needed to record a video. Okay, so this challenge is by me, and this is in my Ko-fi shop. It's 3 girls in Paris. So this one gave us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
I can't see anything.
Okay, well, I don't know. It might have been one of the cats, maybe. Yeah, maybe they were running around or something. Do you think?
How cat makes a big sound?
How do the cats make a big sound? I don't know. They just do sometimes. All right, so we finished this one. So this is going into our saved or finished challenges bag. I could not make change for it. I ran out of 20s, but that's okay. Okay, so that's 3 challenges complete now, which is awesome. All right, next we have this one, Kitten Whiskers. This was in my Ko-fi. It's a freebie, and we are adding 6, which is exactly what we need to finish it. So that's exciting. All right. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18. Okay, there's that one finished. So exciting. I love when this starts to feel like nice and heavy and thick. That means we're saving lots of money, and I'm so excited to see at the end of the month what we saved. Okay, this last challenge is by Vicky Thinks. This is our collaboration on our road to 300, which we have both surpassed, which is so exciting. She is at like over 700 and I'm at 1K. And so we are adding $3 to this, but we're probably going to add more because we have more over here on the side. So let's see, we can do 3, and then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2, so we have 10 left. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so then we just have $3 left to finish this one. Okay. And so far in this one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Woo! And so it's going to save us 30. Oh yeah, it says that right there. Hello, I'm dumb. Okay, so $30 that we'll save with this one. We have $3 more to finish that one. All right, so we finished 3 challenges today, guys. So next week, oh no, we finished 4. So next week we'll be adding 4 new challenges to our lineup and save some more money. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope y'all have a great rest of your day and a great week. And thank you all so much for watching and hanging out with me. I will see you in the next one. Bye.